Let's solve this geometry problem carefully together. And before we begin, take a moment to see if you can predict the answer on your own. Then let me know your answer in the comments. If you enjoy clear step-by-step mathematics like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. We are given that WXYZ is a square with each side equal to 2 units, and the total length from point X to point T along the base is 5 units. A straight line joins point W to point T and meets the right side of the square at point N. Our goal is to find the shaded area. Let's start by using the information about the square. Since WXYZ is a square, all 4 angles are 90 degrees and all 4 sides are equal. That means WX equals XY equals YZ equals ZW. And each of these sides has length 2 units. Now let's find the length of YT. The entire base XT is 5 units, while XY is 2 units. So YT equals XT minus XY, which is 5 minus 2, giving us 3 units. Now let's compare triangle WXT and triangle NYT. Notice that angle WXT is 90 degrees because it is formed by 2 sides of the square. Also, angle NYT is 90 degrees because YZ is perpendicular to the base. The 2 triangles also share the angle at point T because they lie on the same straight line. Since they have one right angle and another equal angle, the triangles are similar by the angle-angle similarity rule. This is very useful because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So we can write WX divided by NY equals XT divided by YT. Now let's substitute the known values. WX is 2, XT is 5, and YT is 3. So we get 2 divided by NY equals 5 divided by 3. To solve for NY, we cross multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 5 multiplied by NY. That gives us 6 equals 5 NY. Finally, dividing both sides by 5, we find that NY equals 6 divided by 5 units. Now that we know this missing height, we can calculate the shaded area. The shaded region is equal to the area of the large triangle WXT minus the area of the small triangle NYT. Let's find the larger triangle first. The area of a triangle is 1/2 multiplied by the base, multiplied by the height. Here the base is XT, which is 5, and the height is WX, which is 2. So the area becomes 1/2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, which equals 5 square units. Next, let's find the area of the smaller triangle. Again, using the triangle area formula, the base is YT, which is 3, and the height is NY, which is 6 divided by 5. So the area is 1/2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. Multiplying the numerator gives 18 divided by 5, and dividing by 2 gives 9 divided by 5 square units. Now subtract the smaller area from the larger area. 5 minus 9 divided by 5 can be written as 25 divided by 5 minus 9 divided by 5, which equals 16 divided by 5 square units.